How do you get the most out of your personal injury case? This step is analyze the treatment path for all the injuries, okay? Hey, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. This is our series of videos on how to get the most out of your personal injury case when you've been injured, usually in a car accident, and how we use the Shane Smith Law Case Maximizer Blueprint to do that. This is A, analyze the treatment path for all injuries. What this means is make sure there's a plan to get all your injured body parts better, okay? So if your neck is hurt, what's the plan for that body part? If your arm is hurt or your shoulder, what's the plan for that? If your knee is hurt, what's the plan for that? And so on. And the reason this is important is because quite often people will have one major injury that's causing the most pain. Maybe your shoulder is really hurting. You've got what you think is a torn rotator cuff, but bottom line is, you know, it hurts a lot. You can't pick things up. Anytime you move it, it hurts, okay? So when you go to the doctor, they're like, what are you here for? Well, I'm here for my shoulder. It hurts. I was in a car accident. I've got some other injuries. My back hurts. My knee hurts. But my shoulder's what's really killing me. If you're not careful, that doctor may only treat the shoulder. Or they may be an extremity orthopedist who only treats shoulders and knees. And they don't do anything for the back, okay? So it's important that you're getting treatment for all your body parts. And we know the plan on what you need to do to follow to get that body part better. Okay, that's one of the reasons why my team is going to ask you, okay, what hurts? And what is the doctor doing for each of those body parts, okay? All too often we see it where clients are going in and they're really only getting treatment on one body part, their back, or their neck, or their shoulder, and not treating the whole person, okay? And that's where we may have to talk to you. You may have to ask the doctor, hey, what are we doing for this, or what are we doing for that? Or if you're an extremity doc, hey, can I see somebody on the spine team, a spine orthopedist? Or just make sure we've got the right doctor for the right body part, okay? Sometimes this means you have to go to 2 different doctors. Sometimes it doesn't. But either way, we want to make sure you're getting treatment for all your body parts and that you know the plan on how you're going to get that body part better. Even if it's just, hey, we're going to take physical therapy, we're going to do this for 8 weeks, and then we think your knee is going to be all better. Fine. If it's not, what's the alternative? If it is fine, great. Now what are we doing for my neck? What are we doing for my back? Know the whole treatment path for all your injured body parts, okay? Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, call Shane.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.